So I'm back in the gym for this evening. I've already done a few sets, so this is my last set. I haven't got a bar. I haven't even got a barbell basically. So what I've done is I put two dumbbells together with a connector that comes with it. And a fair bit of weight on that. So let's go for it. It's 10 kilos. And it's not heavy, but it's heavy enough for what I want. So there we go. There's the barbell. I'm just going to lie flat on my bench. Get this around about my sternum point. And I've already done 40 of these, so I'm going to do another 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, Okay, so I've done the dumbbells, I've separated them. Let's get back down in position. Another 20 of these to go. Okay, watch you pull it. Right, ready. 1, back. So on each of these dumbbells I've got 1.5, I've got 3.5, that's 7 kilos on each set is 7 kilos. So very light dumbbells. I want to start off at 7 because I haven't got a very strong upper body at the moment, so I've got to be careful with that. So I'm going to go on to the next exercise now, which I do as I drop my leg on the floor. Good job I wasn't truly expensive. Next exercise I like to do is lay out, get myself set on the bench like this, one foot right back, knee in the middle of the bench, and place my hand then like that there, and then what I do then is I set myself up and I do 20 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, nice and slow, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. And then I change arms and repeat that process. So I reset my bench to an incline position so I can sit in like this, and then I'm going to go ahead and do the dumbbells again. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. I'm going to do that another twice, so that's 3 sets of those. But in between, I'm giving myself a little rest. So I got some juice here, and I put some protein stuff in it. So that's just going to fuel me through the exercise. So I'm going to continue doing them, and then I'm going to get on the resistance bands then. Make sure my back is nice and secured. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I can have a secret, you know me. Okay. Right. Getting tired now. Getting tired, and that's a good thing. Getting tired of feeling the burn. Oh. So I've cleared myself some space now. I've got my bench tucked away, and I've already been doing some dumbbell work, very similar to what I did this morning, in fact. But yeah, so I got another 20 of these to do. So try to stand square, and then basically just doing this. It's quite boring actually. Better with the music on. 4. I'm not going to bore you with all of them. 5. I should have cut the video. 6. Maybe a video of the rain. Tippy tappy on top of the roof. I'm building up quite a sweat here. Okay, so it's important to have a break in between, I find. I'm in no rush to get anywhere. I'll do anything. So I've done quite a lot of exercise today. This is first day of my month. As I said, it's exercise day. I've got a little bit of work to do in the morning. I'm not sure what I'm going to be doing, but I am up very early in the morning because I've got other things to do. I'm going to try and fit in some HIIT cardio. I want to try and build burning a bit of fat. I'm giving my arms a rest tomorrow. Okay, so we are ready to start the next one. Again, very similar to what I did this morning. It's the goblet. So I'm going to just get myself nice and comfortable, and I'm just going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to do 10 of these. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and that'll be 30 now altogether in total. 30. There we are. Okay, so let's put that down there. Have a rest. Gather my thoughts. Oh, have a little stretchy roll. So I had a good lunch. I had a good breakfast, as you've seen in the last video. I had Greek yogurt with I think it was blackberries and blueberries. So that was really good form of protein there. I had half a bagel because I shared it with Jane because she's on the Weight Watcher program. I had chestnut mushrooms, spinach, I had a piece of tuna, not tuna, it was salmon. I had a boiled egg because Jane had the poached egg, she had the fresh one. And a little bit of mayonnaise on top of that, it was nice. I had a nice glass of orange juice and a cup of tea. Then I picked, I had some quiche, which I make my own quiche now because I make sure it's really high protein quiche. So I had a piece of that. I'll be making that on another video. What else did I do? I had a Subway then, which was good. I had a steak and cheese Subway with a packet of Doritos and a cold drink. But I'm going to go in now and have a post-workout meal snack before I have my evening meal. I've got to eat some protein, really have. Okay, so let's continue with this workout. I'm just about coming to the end of it now, so I want to stand to the side and I got to do 5 of these. This is a 10 kilo weight. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm getting tired. 5. Oh, so 5 of them. Let's change arms. I'm limited for space, but I'm okay. This is my weak arm. I've got a very weak arm. So I'm going to try and do another 5 of this now. 1, 2, trying to keep square. 3, 4. Because what I tend to do, 5, is I tend to twist a little bit, and that's not good. It's not good to twist. Right, I'll just about do 5 of these now and then call it a day, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And change hands. 1, 2. Trying to stop the sway. 3, 4, and 5. And so ends the workout. What a good workout I've had today. Really good workout. So all it remains me to do now is fill in the blanks on my board. And that's me done and dusted. I'm going to go and have a nice post meal. And well, a snack. And I get my dinner on, which is good. I'll post what I've had to eat at the end of this as well. So aside from the Subway, obviously, because that's in my belly. Okay, let's fill this board out. Okay, so right, calories out yesterday was 2,681. So I take that from that. So it looks like it's actually over. I'm actually over. So it's plus 115 calories over. So I'll put a little triangle like that so I know it's up, and there's a plus obviously there on the side. I got to put the day's weight in because I weighed 8.2. I can't fill this in and that in until the morning, and once I do that, oh hang on, that's Thursdays. Yes, it's Friday today. I keep forgetting where I am. It's Friday today, so I can't fill that those details in now until the morning, and so I'll be weighing in the morning, and that's basically that. It's pretty good. So I was over my calories yesterday. That's good. That's good. I just need to look at the protein points now to see if I was up on protein. I shall do that. I'll have to make another box for protein actually, can't I? That's a good point. It's always good to keep a track of these things. Anyway, look, I'm going to post some pictures of my food, and then I'm going to have a nice hot shower, and I'm going to get to bed because I got to get up at 6 in the morning. So I shall talk to you tomorrow and let you know the progress of my day tomorrow. Bye.